Ladies and gentlemen, today we're getting rich. So we're gonna try to build a profitable app using only AI. Let's see how it goes. So first we have to get some ideas. Let's ask our dear friend ChatGPT here. I need some ideas for a simple app or website that will generate me money. And it needs to be something a lot of people can use. So I'll try to add that. And we also need a smart way to monetize it. I don't just want ads, that's just annoying. Alright, let's see if it can give us some inspiration.
Here are 7 simple ad website ideas.
Okay, first one, AI contract, email simplifier. People receive complicated email contracts or legal text and don't understand them. Yeah, I don't think this will work because people could just use ChatGPT or any other AI for this. Like, it doesn't need a specific website. Subscription tracker. Yeah, this one is better because people have so many subscriptions nowadays. Me personally, I have like 5 that I don't even use. So yeah, this one is definitely better, but not quite what I'm looking for. You could just use ChatGPT for this too. I'm not a big fan of any of these, to be honest. Like a website roaster. It feels like 5 people in the whole world would want an AI to roast their website. Let's try to be more specific. Business ideas that targets like students. Okay, I like this one. Assignment breakdown tool. Students procrastinate because assignments feel huge. Solution, paste them and the tool breaks it into steps. Yeah, let's try this one. Let's try to expand this one. I like this one. Try to expand it and also come up with branding and stuff. I actually think this could be really useful when you look at these steps. When you have a huge task, it can seem like very daunting. Maybe this could like relieve a lot of stress for people. We might be onto something, guys. Okay, branding. Okay, we got stepwise. Help, stepwise, I'm stuck. I'm sorry. Essay plan, task draft, study steps. Oh, I like study steps. ChatGPT thinks Draftly is their favorite. That sounds like some sport app. When I hear the name, I think of the NBA draft or something. I think study steps is perfect. Okay, so we're gonna use Lovable to actually create the website. So let's ask ChatGPT to create a prompt that we can later use in Lovable. Alright, let's see if ChatGPT can deliver a great prompt. Turn assignments into simple steps. I don't know about that one. It will have to do for now. Okay, this is like a really detailed prompt. So let's see if Lovable can manage to create this. I could just copy it up here, I'm so stupid. Don't ask me why my name is Darks on this website. Okay, let's start praying that this will turn out great. It's starting to plan something, kind of slow at first. Hopefully it will pick up soon. So we have to approve this plan right here. Design system, clean, soft, pastel accents, rounded corners. Basic clean design is what we're looking for, that anyone could appreciate. Yeah, if you want to read all this, you could pause the video. I'm just gonna trust Lovable here and approve this, because I see the vision. Wow, it's done.
Why you always lying?
I can already feel the money rolling in. This blank app is gonna make me a billionaire. If I understood it correctly, the way this is gonna make money is that you can basically try for free, but if you want like unlimited credits and more advanced, it's gonna have a premium plan as well, and that's how we make the money. So it's finished setting up the design system, and now it's building our homepage. Yo, this looks fire. Stop procrastinating, start your assignment. Paste your sounding prompt and instantly get a step-by-step plan and timeline. Yo, this is actually good. I believe in this idea. Might you start a real company around this? Study steps is live. The app includes a clean homepage and all the other stuff. Okay, so let's try. Let's say we have a 1000 word essay on the fall of Rome. Okay, so let's pick a date. I actually love that this is included. So the plan is adjusted depending on how much time you have. That's perfect. So let's say we have 1 week. All right. So it's given us a step-by-step plan here. So the first one is understand assignment. I think it's gonna take 20 minutes to understand that we're gonna write about the fall of Rome, I guess. Okay, so these seem very basic, like research sources, create thesis statement, build outline. It's not very detailed. I would wish that it gave us a more detailed description of what to do, but it's given us like when we should do all these things, so it's like this is a good start. Let's try something more advanced. I wrote a long prompt here, basically writing a long research paper and then doing a presentation on it as well. So let's see if it can give us a more detailed plan. And let's see, we have 2 weeks this time. Nah, it's just the same. From what I can remember, this is exactly the same as last one. But I feel like this is a good start. If you want me to actually turn this into a real website and start making money of it, Let me know by liking this video and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.